To what extent spreading hatred between Shia and Sunni served the interests of the USA?
The Antichrist was the one who brought about this divide between the Shia and the Sunni. It didn't happen by accident. There was a mysterious actor at work, a mastermind at work, to bring about this division. And he brought about this division, the Shia-Sunni divide, in order to be able to foment and deliver Shia-Sunni civil war in the house of Islam in the end time. And this is the end time. And this is the time when I call them Dajjal's warriors, the warriors of the Antichrist, are beating the drums of war against the Shia. But they plan their plans, and the Lord God plans his plans. And so our voice at this time is the opposite. That we reach out, we are Sunni, we reach out to the Shia, and we say, you are our brothers. Yes, we have differences between us, but those differences are not such that you and I don't belong to the same house. We do. And we must live in this house as brothers. And so our effort is to build solidarity and friendship between the Shia and the Sunni, so that together we can face a common enemy.